In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Instagram post into your website seamlessly and effectively so that it looks both professional and clean. Whether you're looking to showcase a particular post on your site or want an effortless way to engage your audience with social media content, embedding Instagram posts is a great way to go about it. We'll break this down into a few simple steps, making sure it's easy and straightforward for you to replicate. We'll start with obtaining the embed code for the Instagram post you're interested in. Head over to Instagram and find the post you'd like to embed. This could be any content you feel meshes well with your website's theme or message. Once you've located the post, click on the three little dots located at the top right corner of the post. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Choose the embed option. At this point, Instagram is going to provide you with the HTML embed code. Make sure to select it and then copy it. This HTML code will allow us to smoothly insert this content onto your website, but remember there are some platforms that may restrict embedding from external sites, so always double check your site's capabilities before proceeding. Next, it's time to move over to your website's platform. Access the area where you can edit or update your site. This could vary depending on the platform you are on, such as WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, or any other website builder you might be using. Look for a feature or section that allows you to add code or an HTML block. It's often found under Tools or Edit. Once you're there, you're going to add a new code block. Most website builders have a dedicated space you can use for embedding code. This is essential because it dictates where exactly your Instagram post will appear on the page. Click around and look for an option to add or insert a new HTML or code block depending on the platform's terminology. Now that you've added your code block, it's time to paste the embed code we got from Instagram. Just paste it directly into this code block. It's as simple as that. Once you've pasted your embed code, it's important to save your changes. This step ensures that the embedding process finalizes and that your Instagram post will display correctly for your audience to see. Usually there will be a save or update button present in the editor. Give it a quick click and there you have it. By following these actions, you have successfully embedded an Instagram post into your website. Integrating social media into your site not only livens up your pages, but also keeps your content dynamic and engaging. Remember, visual content is powerful, and merging social media with your website can greatly enhance the audience experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy embedding.